Have you ever wanted to create your very own top quality website, but didn't know where to start, where to find developers, where to do all of that? What if I told you that you could find a big template such as this one for the Financial Times and then edit it for yourself? With Clonezy, this is now possible. It's as easy as going to the dashboard, creating your very own template, letting Clonezy create the template, downloading, and get sent straight to our editor in Clonezy, where it's all drag and drops, where you can go and edit, for example, this headline here. Welcome to Clonezy. You can go and you can do anything you want with any sort of template. And with integrated AI that will help you write your text, as well as integrated AI image generator with ChatGPT o3 that can create perfect text for you. This is an all-in-one website builder. It helps you find easy templates, it helps you build your dream website, and it helps you publish it. You can either publish it with us, where you'll have your very own URL, or you can export it to your own domain and host your website there. So if I would go ahead right now and save, then that's it. I've updated it here with Welcome to Clonezy. I can change all of the images. I can do anything I want within Clonezy to make sure that the website is exactly what I want. And with an unlimited amount of websites that you can create, Clonezy is a no-brainer. Not to mention integrated support and training to make sure that your experience with Clonezy is the best possible. You should check out Clonezy AI right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.